Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a review on the JVC KW-V340BT. It's a touchscreen DVD player, Bluetooth, USB, radio. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So to show you a little bit about the features and the functions on them. So okay, just installed this into a Corolla. So I'll show you. It's full touchscreen, so fast forward like that, rewind. Also, just I hooked up with the steering wheel control thingy, so it's learnable. You can program it yourself, and also hooked up a reverse camera to it. So yep, there you go. It's pretty easy. So yeah, let me get to some of the functions for you. Okay. One is similar operating to like a iPod, where you can turn the volume up, down, fast forward, rewind, fold up, fold it down, Yeah. Press this, we get to, this is part of the screen anyway, so when you turn it off, this becomes all black here. I'll show you some of the stuff. You can change the background and stuff like that as well. It's pretty cool. USB is from behind, so you shove that into the glove box there. But yeah, show you some of the functions. Okay, your EQ, they're pretty cool. You've got 11 band EQ there. So what I normally do is just set it to all of them. So get your treble up and work it way down like that. I don't know if you can see that. So bring it up, bring it down, and then get back up like that again. Put the bass boost on, all source, yes please. Got no subby on this one here, so we'll leave the subby off. Sound effect, let's bring it on, bring up the loud. Sorry, leave the bass boost off, turn on the volume, sound enhancer on highest. That would give you like a nice thing. Beta, leave it as that. Crossovers. There's a small compact car. Yes, it's in the door. Speaker selection. Yeah, they're 6 inches. Got no subby, so let's just turn that one off. Okay, the rears are 6 inches as well on these, so leave it at 16. Go back out. Time alignment should be all center. I'll show you anyway. We go into there. You can fine tune how far each individual speakers are away from you, and the gain on it and stuff. So it's pretty cool. Good unit. Display wise, okay, you can dimmer. So hook up to the illumination from your dash there. So when you turn it on, it dims like that. So user customize. Okay, we can change the background of however we want it to look like that. You can make it funky, whatever, or you can even upload your own picture into a USB. When it's playing, press pause, go in here, and then we can use our own images. Otherwise, whatever, you can leave it as that. Panel, you can make these to whatever color you want: purple, green, violet, indigo, yellow, purple, whatever, day, night. I leave it on scan, just let it run through the whole lot there. Input, oh sorry, what else has it got? Yeah, screen adjustment, stuff like that. It's viewing angle, so like it makes how bright it is and stuff like that. On this angle here is probably about 10 degrees, so it's optimized. Screen, you can do the balance, make it brighter and contrast and stuff like that. Otherwise, leave it as that. Input, just reverse camera, either on or off. You can adjust your own parking line, how far away and all that, so it's pretty cool. System, I'll show you. The clock, you can, with these new radios, you can actually turn it to radio data system, which means it gets the information from the radio station and tunes your timing for you automatically, so it's pretty cool. Smartphone Bluetooth setup is pretty ordinary. Also, you've got this other function where it's called memory setup. Okay, now after you just set up your whole car and stuff like that and tune in all your speakers and stuff, you go to AV setup and you press memory, and then you go lock it in by memory. But if you press recall, so just in case you change a battery or something like that, so all the settings go back to you know, default, like nothing, so, or factory, sorry. Go into setting and press recall. Once you hit that, press OK, and then it'll bring up all your settings back to how you just you know, saved it. So it's a pretty cool function there. I like it. Also, another features with these JVC and Kenwood head units is the built-in OEM steering wheel control wire, which then you can hook up to, you know, like the factory steering wheel one, which instead of buying harnesses and stuff like that, you can put it in, and then when you get into this function, it'll be nothing, it'll just be blank. So what you do is you hold onto the button of the steering wheel for about 3 seconds or so, and then it'll pair up a whole list of things with a little line. Now that little line there gives you the functions of choosing like either volume up, volume down, answer phone, source, mute, and so on and so on. And once you've done all that, each one, you hold it 3 seconds, choose the thingy, you know, whatever input you want to ask, and then next button until you fully happy with what you want, and then when you press done, it locks it in. And now by just doing that, what happens is you can turn it up, fast forward, rewind, whatever, anyway. So I'm gonna have to put it down, so otherwise YouTube's gonna have some hitsy fits and telling to take off the audio. But yeah, that's it. Cool functions with the JVC Kenwood head units, mostly on the AV models, and it's only the DPX 5100 BT, which is the only head unit that's non-DVD or non-AV receivers that has that function as well. It's a pretty cool function. I reckon it should be, you know, out in every single range. But that's my review on the JVC KWV340 BT. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, whatever. Yeah, pretty cool. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.